financial transactions, or anything controlling submarines. The code they produce works initially, but it's optimized for getting something working quickly, not for the kind of rigorous security review that sensitive systems require. The timeline is depressingly predictable. Week 1 feels like magic. You're shipping features faster than ever. Month 1, weird edge cases start appearing. Month 3, simple changes require touching 5 different files. Month 6, you're seriously considering a complete rewrite. Each individual conversation, optimized for the local problem, but destroyed the global architecture. Quality of conversational coding depends heavily on model capability. GPT-4 or Claude can maintain context across longer conversations and suggest more sophisticated architectures. But using cloud models for extensive coding sessions gets expensive fast, easily $20-100 for a substantial feature. Smaller or local models are cheaper, but lose context quickly and fall back to generic patterns that ignore your specific needs. The systematic approach solves the fundamental problems we've seen with all other methods. Instead of hoping AI will guess your requirements correctly, you build complete project context first, your business requirements, technical constraints, coding standards, everything. Then when you use conversational coding tools like Rocode, they work with full knowledge of your project. You get the magic of conversational coding without the architectural chaos. This is what I'll be teaching you to build in upcoming videos. Most teams aren't ready for systematic AI integration yet, but not because it's impossible, because they're missing key pieces. You need proper tool integration instead of random copy-pasting, usage monitoring, and budgets instead of surprise bills, review processes instead of blind AI, acceptance, and team knowledge of foundation concepts instead of magical thinking. The solution isn't to wait. It's to build these capabilities systematically, one piece at a time. Throughout this discussion, you've seen how critical foundation knowledge is. Understanding context windows explains why AI forgets your requirements. Temperature and sampling parameters control whether you get creative or consistent output. Prompt engineering isn't magic. It's providing the right information. Each approach has specific use, cases, and limitations. And systematic preparation is what makes the difference between random results and reliable productivity. These aren't academic concepts. They're practical necessities for anyone using AI tools professionally. So where does this leave you? Start immediately with what works today. Use autocomplete for boilerplate in patterns you know well, but keep traditional IntelliSense for well-typed code bases. Task-based AI is excellent for isolated problems, but invest time in proper context and prompt engineering. Conversational coding is perfect for learning and prototypes, but resist the urge to ship those results directly to production. Then begin building systematically toward comprehensive context documentation and controlled AI toolchains. The real value of AI-assisted development isn't replacing good practices. It's accelerating them when used appropriately. But here's the warning. AI will just as happily accelerate bad practices if you let it. Understanding the limitations, managing the costs, and setting realistic expectations isn't optional. It's what separates developers who get consistent value from AI from those who blame the tools when things go wrong. Budget accordingly for AI tools. Personal learning projects might run $0.50 monthly. Small teams doing serious development should expect $200 $2,000. And production teams building systematic approaches with heavy usage can easily hit $1,000 $15,000 monthly. Factor in model costs, tool subscriptions, and the time investment in proper setup. At enterprise scale, AI assistance becomes a significant operational expense that needs proper planning and monitoring. In upcoming videos, I'll walk you through building your own systematic approach. We'll cover setting up comprehensive project context, configuring AI toolchains that combine local and cloud models appropriately, implementing cost monitoring and quality control processes, and strategies for training your team on these concepts. This won't be theoretical frameworks. It'll be real implementation you can use immediately. I want to hear about your real experiences with these tools. Which limitations have you hit personally? Where has AI failed you? And where has it actually delivered value? If you have specific scenarios you'd like me to test or questions about building systematic approaches, drop them in the comments. The goal is honest evaluation of what works and what doesn't. Not marketing hype about the AI revolution. Thanks for watching this breakdown of AI-assisted development approaches. Remember, these are tools that amplify your existing skills, not replacements for understanding software development. In the next video, we'll start building a systematic approach that actually works in practice. Before you go, this entire presentation, including the talking head, video, slides, script, translation, and vocalization, was created using the systematic AI approach I described. Cloud models for content generation, local models for privacy-sensitive work, comprehensive context preparation, and careful human oversight throughout. It's a real-world demonstration of what's possible when you move beyond random AI usage to systematic integration. Subscribe if you want realistic content about AI development. No hype, no magic, just practical results that you can implement immediately.